Hey fitness fam, it is your girl Shola. I'm your fitness instructor. I'm here today with a tutorial how to do a bicep curl with form and alignment. So you're going to take your dumbbells or whatever weighted object that you have. You're going to, of course, stand with feet. You can be neutral positioning, you can take a stagger stance, whatever works for you. Keeping your elbows locked on your side, abs engaged, you're going to curl up, keeping the dumbbells right by your shoulders, and release. Elbows stay locked into the side, up and down. One more time, up and down. Now you don't want to swing the weights. So if you're swinging the weights, your weight might be a little too heavy or too light. You want to be able to control that weight through the entire movement. So again, elbows locked, contract, and then release. And there you go. That's how you do a bicep curl with form alignment.